Hey y'all, welcome to Good Groceries with Matt Hussey. I am Matt Hussey. I appreciate you stopping by. Today is exciting. Why is it exciting? Well, it is fall. Fall is my most favorite time of the year. My most favorite holiday is Thanksgiving. I know it's all about turkey and this and that, but what about breakfast, y'all? Huh? Today what I got for you is I got a beautiful pancake recipe, an apple pancake recipe at that you are gonna love, and it's gonna be some good groceries. So you will not want to miss it. Let's get started, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right, so first things first, we got to get our apples ready, all right? What is the apples of choice? Well, I'm glad you asked. Honey Crisp, best apples ever. When I first stumbled upon these apples, it was just like life-changing. I was like, OMG, these apples are fantastic. There's gonna be a topping that we put on those apples, and there's gonna be apples in the pancake mix. All right, so let's get our apples going. So I'm just gonna come here, come down just like that. Got our apples here. This is for our topping, all right? We're just gonna come in here, thinly slice these apples. Just like that. Do it however you like. All right, we just got a bowl right here. All right, we got our apples. Some of these has got a bruise. Oh, some of these are just terrible looking. The bruise spot really won't make much of a difference, honestly. So if you got some, it's kind of going bad, it's okay. We're gonna put these on the Blackstone and we're gonna cook them. So they're gonna be nice and sweet. To this, we're gonna add a little lemon. Lemon. Just gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. That keeps them from browning, oxidizing, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to put these to the side, all right? Mix that up. Nice. Just like that. Now, if you want to make your mix, go right ahead. I have found the secret to pancakes. I use this all the time. People always ask, Hussey, how do you get these really, really fluffy pancakes? Well, so I use a bagged mix. This is the best for me. I love it. It's great. So I'm just going to do 1 cup of this mix. All right, 1 cup. And I like to use this big whole thing here. But y'all, I church it up a little bit, okay? How do I church it up? Well, I'm glad you asked. I like to take, the instructions say use water. Water is bland, y'all. It's already got buttermilk, like a powder in it. I just use regular milk, all right? So I like to come in here. And for 1 cup of mix, you need about 2/3 cup of milk or water, but I like milk. But I like to go a little bit lumpy. I like to mix it a little thick, all right? It needs a little bit more. So you gotta kind of play with it, you know? So this is apple pancakes, not the apples on top. So we are going to grate another Honey Crisp apple. So what I do, make sure you take the label off. I thought I had the labels off, okay? Gets down. There we go. Looky there. Get in there. Look at that. Grated apple. Grated Honey Crisp apple. We're just gonna come in here and we're gonna add a little bit of this Honey Crisp apple. Actually, we're gonna add it all because you want one Honey Crisp apple. Come in here with the spatula. Just kind of run that around. Now, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna let that sit for a little bit. I like to let it sit. We'll come over here and pre-warm our Blackstone. Hey, I got so caught up in the moment. I was loving these pancakes. I forgot to add my churched up stuff. I like to add a little bit of this Cinnadust to mine. This is like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I like to add ½ teaspoon or so. That really says fall right there, y'all. All right, so we got our Blackstone warmed up. We don't want to get it really hot because we're going to get these apples, the sliced apples, ready for our topping, okay? Just going to come in here. I don't even know why I'm messing with running around like that. We want a good amount of butter. We're just going to come here with our sliced apples. Just kind of get them around. Okay, I'll come here with a little bit of salt. The objective is to get these nice and soft. We're gonna add some other goodness to this. It's gonna really put them over the top. It's gonna make our pancakes beautiful. I smell apples. It's amazing. I smell it. This has gotten a little bit softer. Now, I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna take some brown sugar. Brown sugar. Maybe about 2 or 3 tablespoons, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit more of this cinnamon dust too. If you don't have cinnamon dust, it's okay. Just use cinnamon. All right. It's gonna be amazing. It's time for pancake time. The griddle's up to a nice 350, 375 degrees. We'll come here with our butter. You want to make sure the pancakes have a nice surface. Okay. That's going to make a nice pancake right there. Now, we got our pancake mixture. We're just going to come in here. Lay down 1/4 cup or so. There we go. Y'all, if you could smell this out here right now, it smells like fall. And it is fall. For your pancakes, you want to kind of come in here. You kind of want to see some browning going on. I think I see some. And the bubbles are kind of like a giveaway also. Just come in here. You ready? Boy, look at those pancakes. It's going to be some good groceries. Our apples, they're looking lovely. And I'm honestly thinking about adding a little bit more brown sugar. Why? Because I can. These bad boys right here, and they are fluffy. Look at that. Reminds me of myself a little bit. Y'all, these pancakes, they are perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, want to get these pancakes off, put them on our lovely dish. 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna take our apples. Let's get those off. And all the juices with it. You want to make sure you get all that brown sugar with the butter that's kind of mixed in. Don't want to compromise that. You want to make sure you got it. Got our pancakes over here on our cutting board. Man, do they not look fantastic. Gosh, but we're not done. We are not done with these things. It's time to put the apple topping on this. Then we got some other stuff to put on there. And we're just gonna come in here. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take one of these off because I want to try without anything else. Okay, I'll put you over there. Actually, I need to save one for my wife. There they are. Nice, lovely pancakes. But we're not done with these things yet, y'all. So we're just gonna come here. I want to layer these bad boys. This is all made of syrup. And we're just going to come in here, drizzle that syrup down over. You don't really need syrup. You can add syrup if you want. Totally optional. But just use that syrup that you made with the butter, the brown sugar, with the apples that the lemon juice made. It's going to be great. Time for some whipped cream. Whipped cream. Now, all right. I like whipped cream on my pancakes. I'm just gonna come in here with a little bit more of this dust. I'm just gonna dust it. Atta boy. Woo! Good night in the morning. Now we got to give this a try. First, I wanna try just the pancake itself. Apple still has a little bit of a crunch to it. Shines through, is very subtle. Great breakfast item, especially for the holidays. Now, we need to get to business on this. Ooh, this stack right here. Get a little bit of apple, a little bit of pancake, Dang it, boy. Dang it, boy. Good night in the morning. Best pancakes ever. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm not a big pancake fan. These are some pancakes, y'all. Golly, boy. Get another one. I gotta get some more of this. Dang it, son. It's those sauteed apples really shine through. And then that sauce, that natural syrup that was made. Dang. Y'all, I appreciate you stopping in. Make this for your family for the holidays. You will not be disappointed. Keep making them good groceries.